Okay, so this is part 3 of setting up your Weebly website. So I'm finally here on my homepage and I'm able to get started on my homepage. Um, so how I explain websites to kids, I tell them that it's like a book. The homepage is the cover of the book. The pages are the chapters of the book. So you can start thinking about organizing it in that way. So what I usually do is I'll set up the homepage first and I'll start clicking out some things and changing some things. Basic things you'll need to know to get you started. There are title text boxes and then the regular text boxes. Title ones are going to be nice and big, like these letters here. These text boxes here will just be regular, kind of smaller text. So title is text. So what I like to do first is I like to start designing the cover of the book. So I'll click in here and go ahead and type in my title, and my name of my website was Green Paint 2. I'm going to call it the class, Green Paint 2 class. So you could type in here, you can highlight, and this is definitely just like any other word processing or Word document type of application where up here you can edit all these fonts, you could change the colors, really easy to use with everything just being right on the top here of that text box. So you can keep that in mind when you're typing things in. It's pretty easy to find all those editing features at the top. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to change this picture back here, and we'll talk about changing pictures. I'm going to go ahead up here. One thing that Weebly likes to do is they like to have like a logo or a text go up here at the top. So you go ahead and you can change that. So green paint to class. There we go. And you could do a logo, but you'd have to upload a picture if you want. Um, so that's pretty much how to deal with kind of the text boxes. And see, you could increase fonts, make them smaller. So very basic on that. In the next part, we'll talk about changing pictures.